Welcome back to Automavens TV. Introducing the very modern 2025 Chevrolet Corvette. By fusing the lines of a classic sports car with those of an SUV, this vehicle captures the spirit of a Corvette, not your average SUV, mind you. Come explore its magnificent interior, formidable engines, breathtaking performance, and jaw-dropping design with us. The performance-oriented of Chevrolet will henceforth be known as the Corvette. The car will also be supported by the magnificent Cadillac CT4V and CT5V Blackwings. This Corvette SUV appears to be fun to drive, and judging on the chassis alone, it may be available in two sizes. There will be a dramatic shift in Chevrolet's lineup with the introduction of the Corvette SUV. Basic pricing range for a 2025 Chevrolet Corvette SUV is expected to be $60,000 to $80,000, depending on the degree of equipment and available options. As far as SUV design goes, the 2025 Corvette's aggressive silhouette is supposedly a major influence. A low SUV profile, crisp body lines, and a sloping roofline are potential characteristics. A broad grille and massive air intakes up front are probable design cues from the current Corvette. This serves to both cool the engine and improve the SUV's aesthetics. Because of its use as an SUV, the four-door design facilitates entry and exit for passengers. Big wheels and high-performance tires will give the Corvette a threatening SUV look. Almost surely, the SUV will feature the air vents and taillight design that are so characteristic of the Corvette. General Motors' 6.2-liter V8 engine will be standard on the midsize SUV, while a 4-cylinder or twin-turbo turbocharged V6 engine might power the little Corvette SUV. Equipped with the same engine as the larger Escalade V, a supercharged version of the Corvette Z06 SUV would put it up against more unconventional competitors like the Lamborghini Urus and Ferrari Purosangue. A slanted rear window enhances vision and gives the car a sportier appearance. The Corvette would look more at home in a four-door SUV. It is certainly feasible to increase its usefulness and adaptability without diminishing its historical importance. Its contemporary headlamps and broad grille might be hints at its hidden powers. To finish off the racing image, go for big, lightweight wheels and high-performance tires. The air vents and taillights are the two most recognizable aspects of a Corvette. However, options like a turbocharged or twin-turbo 4-cylinder may be available at higher specification levels. Chevrolet allegedly plans to swap out the engine in its supercharged Corvette Z06 SUV for the bigger Escalade V in order to compete with more exotic rivals like the Lamborghini Urus and Ferrari Purosangue. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and follow to get the latest news.